Hey guys, Robert from the College Investor here, and I am super excited to talk to you guys today about Haven Life, and we are going to review them and go through on how easy it is to get a term life insurance policy online in minutes. So the cool thing with Haven Life is that they are a fully online term life insurance company. And what makes that awesome is when you wanted to buy term insurance in the past, you'd have to call, you'd have to do all this stuff, you potentially have to get a physical. It was such a tedious process. And Haven Life has made it so simple to get term life insurance online, and I'm going to show you how easy it is right now. So all you got to do to just get an even estimate right here is you just estimate your stuff. So I already put in my stuff here. So I'm a male. I was born on March 26, 1985. Do I use nicotine? I have excellent health. I want a $500,000 policy for 30 years. And then it estimates that I'm going to pay between $36.42 and $68.50 per month. And you can see the rates. If you have good health, it's $42. If you have average health, it's $68, which, those are actually decent rates. A little higher than I would expect, but not too bad. And you can over here on the left, you can see real policies and real prices. So people that are actually getting these. So like $1 million policy over 20 years for a 33-year-old is $35. You can see these ones. Here's $15 for $500,000 for 15 years. So you honestly can see your rate. You can also see the effect of changing it. So what if I only went with a 15-year policy? It would be like $15 to $30 a month. So you could honestly quickly and easily see how much you'd save. I love that because you don't even you notice that you haven't even entered any of your personal information yet, and you can estimate how much you're going to pay. Now, if you want to see how much you would really pay, you click get your real rate here, and you just begin, and you tell us, you answer a bunch of questions here, and then you can, get your real rate. So like, here's the basics about you, who's being insured, what's your name, height, weight, address, your social, your driver's license, and then a bunch of background questions. The background's about your job, about any criminal history, any family history, and then your medical history, of course. Like you go through all this. And, the cool thing is that in the past, some of this stuff might have just totally prevented you from getting insurance. But now today, they have algorithms that will decide on whether you need to get a physical or don't need to get a physical, or whether you can get insurance or not get insurance. So they honestly make this process super easy. And by the time you get to the bottom of this, like you can honestly acknowledge it and then, sign up, get your decision in minutes. Like they'll tell you right away if you're going to be approved. And then honestly, you could buy your policy online, and from like start to finish, it could be 15 to 20 minutes, and you could have a term life insurance policy in effect so that you are protected from your family, for your finances. It's so easy. Honestly, I love their interface. They make the whole process really super easy. They also have support and live chat. So if you had any questions, concerns, they can answer those for you. So if you're thinking about getting term life insurance, I always recommend people shop around. Like you don't necessarily need to take this company because they have the cheapest rates, but honestly, they do a great job about making it easy to get life insurance. So if it's going to be part of your comparison, sign up, check it out. We highly recommend them.